Welcome to Easy English Learning. Olivia and the Space Adventure. This is Olivia. She always dreamt of visiting the stars. One night, a shiny rocket appeared outside her window. Olivia put on her helmet and 3, 2, 1 blast off. She flew past the moon, the stars and colorful planets. In space, she met friendly aliens who waved and smiled. But suddenly, an asteroid storm blocked her way. Olivia and her alien friends worked together to dodge the asteroids. The sky cleared and they laughed and danced among the stars. The lesson of the story is that, dream big, work together and every adventure becomes brighter.